Good morning, sir. Myself B. Rajeshwari, currently pursuing third BTech in Srinivasa Ramanujam Institute of Technology, a specific branch of Electronics and Communication Engineering. According to CA2 video presentation, the topic is the timer A, the subject of the microprocessors and microcontrollers, and the introduction of the timer A. Timer A is the versatile hardware timer module used in many microcontrollers, especially in MSP 430 series. It will provide them precious timing functions and essential for the various embedded applications. Understanding a timer A is a crucial designing efficient and accurate timing based system. The timer A is the one type of the hardware timer. This is the one type of a module too. It will used in a microcontrollers, especially in MSP 430 series. The basic features of the timer. Timer A is hours, multiple operations and modes included continuous up and down and capture modes. It's a configurable clock sources allowing in a flexible timing intervals. The module can generate output signals such as a PWM or a motor control and other applications. The timer A modules will generate different types of output signals such as the PWM for the motor controllers. Clock sources for the timer A. Timer A can be driven by the interval clocks like a auxiliary clock ACLK and a main clock MCLK. External clock sources can be also used in a more precise and specific timing. Selecting at the appropriate clock sources impact the timer's resolutions and the power consumptions. The timer A module, it contains is continuous mode timer A counts up to endless until stopped and reset. Up and down modes, if they count from the 0 to a specific values and vice versa, useful for PWM. Capture mode allows a measuring external signals timings by the capture timing values. The time modes of the operations, timer mode 0, timer mode 1, timer mode 2 and timer mode 3. The timer mode 0 is a pulse input that goes to TLX bits and TXP bits and TFL. The final output is the interrupt. Configuration timer A. Initialization and involving settings the clock sources, different types of modes and a timer periods registers. Interrupts can be enabled for various events like a timers, overflows and captures. Proper configurations is essential for accuracies, timings and system responses. These will only for accurate different type of timings and system responsibilities also. These contains different types of overflow captures, different types of clock sources and a mode and a timer period registers. Using timer A and PWM generator. Pulse width modulations. The timer A can generate a PW signals, the motor speed controllers and LED dimming. The duty cycle can be adjusted and changing and compare register values. PWM mode involving different type of setting output modes that automatically toggle pins and based on the timer count. Timer A interrupts and interrupts even handling. Interrupts allows in a microcontrollers to respond promptly to timer events. Typical events are triggering interrupts, including a timer overflow and capture events, efficient interrupt and service routine, are a key maintenance of the real-time systems and performances. The power management with the timer A. The timer A can operate in a low power modes to conserve energy during ideal periods. Proper use of the clock and sources and the sleep modes helps in extend battery life. Managing timer interrupts, the carefully ensuring minimal power consumptions and while maintaining timer accuracies. Practical applications of the timer A. Timer A is used in real-time clocks, implementations and event scheduling. Its facilities, preheating and timing in a motor controller, sensor sampling and communication protocols. It's a flexible makes it suitable for the both simple and delay complexities timing sequences. This is the summary and key ways. Timer A is one fundamental concept for timing and controlling in embedded systems. Timer is one type of fundamental concept. It contains of a mastery of the configurations and modes of enabling development and reliable applications. Proper utilizing of a timer enhancing systems performances, accuracy and power efficiency. Thank you.